Hello everyone, welcome to Stories with K. Siddiqui. My name is Kiran Siddiqui and I'm a storyteller. And it's the start of 2026 and I've finally gained the courage to start my own YouTube channel. I'm already nervous. Uh, since I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you've already stumbled upon this channel. So I just wanted to start off with an introductory video just to let you know what exactly would this channel be about. So firstly, as the name suggests, it's all about stories. Stories that I have written, stories that I've read, the lessons that I've learned from them. I would be sharing those things with you. And also the people I have met and the stories that they have honored me with. Obviously, I would be taking their consent before sharing any stories with anyone, but this place would be all about stories. Uh, I have been working as a storyteller since a while now. I've told stories in different forms. I've written them, I've acted, I have tried my hands on direction. So I feel very much attached to the world of stories. I personally feel that it's basically a universe, a magical universe where you enter and you get a chance to live a life that is different from the life that you're living right now. So basically, stories enable you to live more than one lives. So, uh, what would be on this channel, what to expect having on this channel? I would be doing some dramatic readings. I would be sharing the excerpts from the books that actually stayed with me even after I had finished reading them. I would be sharing some of my work, obviously. I would be sharing, as I said, the lessons that I've learned along the way. Uh, Frankly, the purpose of this channel is basically just to channelize the love for stories. For now, right now, I do not hold any targets. I do not want to attach my love for stories with any uh, materialistic target right now. It might be my nervousness, but it is what it is. uh, I think since it's an introductory video, I should start with telling how I became a storyteller. uh, that kind of goes back into my childhood when I loved narrating incidents to people, and how I used to narrate it was that I used to add a lot of drama. I used to talk about them. I used to tell them exact words. He said this, she said that, and stuff like that. So I was known as a storyteller or someone who makes stories in my family since I was a child. It wasn't in terms of shaming me or anything, but it actually helped me find my calling. Mm, so a few years back, initially I was scared to follow this thing because I think that's what passion is. uh, it excites you, but it scares you. So you have to gather up a lot of courage to be able to practice your passion. That's the same that happened with me. It took me a while to find my courage, and then I started practicing storytelling. Of course, it was a wonderful experience. uh, I have been practicing it and I've been enjoying it. So, and that's the outcome of it, that I finally decided to start sharing them. uh, if you are around, I would love to get in touch with you. uh, if you would trust me enough with your story, I would love to have a chat with you, know what your story is, and just to see what you're going through, how life handled you and how you handled life in return. So I'm excited. I'm excited to share my stories, and I wish whenever in life I come back and see this video, I feel happy that I was able to connect with beautiful people get honored with their stories, people who hurt me, people who gave me a chance to hear them, and just be myself and let people be themselves. So uh, I've given you the schedule, I've given you my introduction, I've given you like schedule in the sense of what to expect, what am I going to do on this channel. I've given you that, I've given you my introduction, I've given you the things that we're going to talk about. So yeah, as I was saying, one thing I think I should clarify is that when I said that you can share your stories, every Friday I would be reading an email that's a true story. Because since a while I've met a few people. I'm actually a screenwriter as well. So since a while I've started meeting people who really wanted their own life stories to turn into a screenplay. Because obviously people go through so many things in life, and fighting them, coming out of them, being brave enough to deal with them, and then realizing that it's all going to go in vain if you leave this world someday. So we all want to be seen, we all want to be heard, we all want to be remembered for what we did in life. And since I cannot promise you that I can turn your story into a screenplay, into a film, into a drama, into a short film, or into a theater play, because it involves a lot of people, it involves a lot of production process, it involves a lot of other formalities. But through this, I can at least help you store your story, keep it safe in this channel, and just talk about it, maybe, if you allow me. So yes, I would like to know you, I would like to know how life was with you, and I would like people to know what others are going through. I think it becomes a great motivation for us to be able to fight the demons of our life, and I get to know that there is someone else who's also there, who's also fighting this fight. And I think we all then just gather the courage, we become better, and then we just take the bull by the horn. So yes, every Friday I'm going to read out an email that's a true story, and take inspiration, or if the person asks for it, we can have a discussion and everything. So, but I don't think anybody's story needs to be discussed, because I don't think any of us can give solution to each other. We can only give suggestions based on what we understand, based on what we see, what we know, but we cannot give solutions, since only the person who's going through the experience knows what to do. So yeah, I think we'll avoid the discussion. we'll try to avoid it as much as we can. But as characters, we can have a conversation on that, and we can talk about it. So that's that. I would also be, as I said, uploading some of the lectures related to writing, related to storytelling, and I would be having dramatic reading sessions, small ones. I won't be taking much of your time, and I might just come out to you one day like this, holding a mic and just talking about something. So how you can contribute to this channel: you can always leave a comment, you can always email me, we can even connect on video, on a live video chat, on Google Meet, on Zoom, anything that's comfortable for you, and we can have a conversation if you're comfortable enough. And that could be a part of this channel as well. We can have episodes like those. So basically the channel is more about the real stories, the real struggle, the real people. So yeah, I'm excited, and I welcome you all aboard. As I said, Stories take you into a magical world. So let the magic begin.